start by preparing my ground beef. This is 100% grass-fed, 80% lean, 20% fat. You want a bit of fat in there for taste. I'm just gonna dump it in my bowl. Simple ingredients, and it's gonna taste delicious. I'm using these La Cocina chipotle peppers in adobo sauce. I chopped up about maybe 3 big ones, and I have a bit of sauce in there. I'm just gonna toss this in, and these are gonna be spicy. I have 3 cloves of shredded garlic. You could press yours if you like. I'm gonna do a zest of 1 lemon. You don't have to do all the zest on the lemon, but just get enough for taste. I'm not gonna add any lemon juice because I don't want my ground beef too wet. So this will just add a bit of zestiness to this. Salt and pepper. And just give it a good smash. And then just make sure everything's nice and mixed. Let's make the patties. Don't make them too thick, not too thin. Just right in between, or actually however you prefer it. One of my gloves went MIA. It's missing in action. I think I accidentally tossed it in the trash, but it's all good. Spraying my pan with some pan spray, and I'm going to add my patties. You can use raw onion, but I'm going to go ahead and cook mine a bit. I just feel it's a bit more tasty. Add a few serrano peppers. Lightly salt and pepper your patties before you flip them. After I flipped my patties, I did drain some of the fat out of the pan. Now I'm going to lightly salt and pepper this side. Not too much, just a bit. You could use hamburger buns, you could use whatever small flour tortillas you like, but these are the Guerrero Zero Net Carbs, original high fiber. They are keto certified. I'm not really worried about that. I just want less carbs and more meat. That's all I'm doing. So you could use whatever you like, but try this out. You're gonna love it. And I'm gonna toast mine up a bit. You don't have to. And then we're gonna put these burgers together. Pepper jack cheese. The cheese is nice and melted. It smells so good in here. This is gonna be so delicious. I'm gonna start by adding some smashed avocado. I just smashed this up with a bit of salt and pepper. You could do avocado, you could do guacamole, do whatever you like. I'm just going to spread a bit on the tortilla. That's going to be the bottom. Add my patties with the cheese. And this is pepper jack cheese. You could use whatever cheese you love. I'm going to get some of these onions. Just put them on top. And don't skip on the onions. These are so delicious when you cook them up this way. If you want to do raw, go ahead, but this just adds so much flavor. My tomato. And then some cilantro. You won't have no problem picking these cheeseburgers up because these tortillas in replace of buns do a great job. And it tastes amazing.